Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing, we're nearly completed with this, is a reconditioned 40 cubic foot ribbon blender. We've changed the drive system, and this calls for a new chain guard reconfigured from what was an old jack shaft system. The unit's kind of unique as it has cantilever legs, and that's how it came to us, which allow you to put something as large as a tote underneath there to discharge. We've got new bearings on it, reconditioned drive motor, everything running smooth and quiet. Running at about 36 or so RPM on the agitator. You'll see it has a unique design similar to what American Process does on their blenders. But they don't use a round spoke, they use a piece of flat material which extends out to the outer ribbon and gives a lot more strength, heavier duty ribbon. Has a bottom end discharge which is manually operated, as you can see right there. Add a small little side port here for chain inspection, maybe some oiling. You can have a full cover with handles so it can be removed on and off. We have lots of blenders in our stock, twin shell blenders, double cone blenders, paddle blenders. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. The post you see along the rear of the blender is something that's been proposed, and we may add it to add some more rigidity to the blender. But as you can see, it may not need it. Anyway, we look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for joining us today for this video. So visit us at www.champtrading.com. We'll see you soon, hopefully. Thanks for joining us.